Hey, gardeners! What if I told you that September doesn't have to mark the end of your gardening season? That's right, you can still enjoy fresh, homegrown veggies while everyone else is packing up for winter. Intrigued? Stick around as we unlock the secrets to a bountiful late-season garden in Zone 4. First up, let's talk about plant hardiness zones. Ever wonder why some plants thrive while others struggle? It's all about understanding your zone. In Zone 4, we deal with winter temps that can drop as low as 30°F. Knowing this helps us choose plants that can tough it out through our chilly winters. If you're not sure what zone you're in, just hop onto the USDA website, enter your zip code, and you'll have all the info you need to make smart planting decisions. Now, onto preparing your garden for September planting. Start by clearing out any old summer crops and weeds. Then, enrich your soil with a good layer of compost or well-rotted manure. This will boost nutrients and improve soil structure, giving your new plants a strong start. Once your soil is ready, it's planting time. Remember to plant your seeds or seedlings at the correct depth, usually about twice the size of the seed. Water them well, and you're on your way to a thriving late-season garden. So, what can you plant in September in Zone 4? Here are some top picks. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and lettuce love cooler weather and grow quickly. Nothing beats a fresh salad from your garden. Root vegetables, radishes, and turnips mature fast and can handle light frost, perfect for fall planting. Herbs, parsley, and cilantro thrive in cooler temps and add fresh flavor to your dishes. Cover crops, clover or rye protect and enrich your soil over winter, setting you up for success next spring. Want to extend your growing season even further? Try these tips. Use row covers. These lightweight fabrics act like a blanket, protecting your plants from frost and keeping them warm. Build cold frames. A cold frame is like a mini greenhouse, perfect for sheltering your plants from the cold while letting in sunlight. Mulching. Apply a thick layer of mulch to retain soil warmth and moisture, and to suppress weeds. With these techniques, you can keep harvesting fresh produce well into the fall. Who knew September could be such an exciting month for gardening in Zone 4? Let's recap. Understanding your plant hardiness zone is crucial for success. Proper soil preparation sets the stage for healthy, productive plants. You can plant leafy greens, root vegetables, herbs, and cover crops in September. Simple methods like row covers, cold frames, and mulching can extend your growing season. So, are you ready to give late season planting a try? Let me know in the comments what you're planning to grow this September. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to keep your garden thriving all year round. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.